Hello friends, welcome back to the Money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys glide tapping guys. How can we off? Friends, you can see get this glide tapping guys. You don't want to use in an infinix phone device, so how can we off get this setting friends? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends, how to off guys glide tapping in infinix phone device? Friends, you will have to on guys your phone setting and guys on guys your search bar and guys on your keyboard setting. After on keyboard setting, we will tap here. As you can see guys, this glide tapping as keyboard glide tapping, we will off get this all setting. So friends, come back guys. So friends, you can see that this glide tapping will not work in our Infinix Phone device guys. We cannot use guys. We will have to tap, then we can use it. So like that guys, we can off guys glide tapping in our Infinix Phone device. So bye bye guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to off Infinix Phone by phone glide tapping. So bye guys. Thanks for watching.